Hey there, car seat savvy parents. Are you searching for the perfect accessory to enhance your baby's travel experience? Look no further, because in today's video, we've got you covered with our top 5 infant car seat covers. These amazing products not only provide protection against the elements, but also add a touch of style and comfort to your little one's car rides. I mentioned all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Acrabro's car seat covers for babies. This infant car seat cover is a must-have accessory for parents on the go. This cover is designed to fit most infant car seats, providing a snug and secure fit to protect your little one from the elements. Made from a stretchy and breathable fabric, this car seat cover allows air to circulate freely while keeping your baby cozy and comfortable. It is perfect for all seasons, providing shade from the sun, protection from wind and dust, and even acting as a barrier against pesky insects. Pros: stretchy and breathable fabric, universal fit, easy installation, peek-a-boo opening for monitoring your baby, and protects against the elements. Cons: limited color options, may require occasional readjustment during use. Number 2. Kids and Such Canopy Cover. The infant car seat cover is a stylish and functional accessory that ensures your baby stays safe and comfortable during car rides. It is designed to fit most standard infant car seats and provides reliable protection from various weather conditions. This car seat cover also includes a convenient zippered opening, which gives you easy access to your baby without having to remove the entire cover. This feature is especially handy when your little one needs attention or when you want to check on them. Pros: durable and weather-resistant material, easy installation with zipper closure, convenient zippered opening for access to your baby, stylish design with multiple color options, provides protection from the elements. Cons: limited compatibility with certain car seat models, the zipper may occasionally get stuck. Number 3. Skip Hop Winter Car Seat Cover. The Skip Hop Stroll and Go infant car seat cover is a versatile and practical accessory that ensures your baby's comfort and safety during car rides. It is compatible with most infant car seats and offers reliable protection against weather elements. Installing this car seat cover is a breeze thanks to its elasticized edges and adjustable straps. It securely fastens to your baby's car seat, ensuring a snug and secure fit that stays in place during travel. The car seat cover is made from a soft and breathable fabric that keeps your baby cozy and comfortable. It provides a snug fit without restricting movement or compromising safety. Pros: roll-away front flap for customizable coverage, soft and breathable fabric, easy installation with elasticized edges and adjustable straps, compatible with most car seat models, provides protection against weather elements. Cons: limited color options, the front flap may occasionally need readjustment. Number 4. Promelect Car Seat Cover. The Car Seat Cover Girl's breathable carrying canopy is a charming and practical accessory that enhances your baby's travel experience. This cover is designed to fit most infant car seats, providing protection and privacy for your little one. Made from a lightweight and breathable fabric, this car seat cover keeps your baby cool and comfortable during car rides. It shields them from sun glare, wind, and dust, ensuring a peaceful and enjoyable journey. Pros: lightweight and breathable fabric, unique carrying canopy design, provides protection and privacy. Cons: limited compatibility with certain car seat models, fewer color options available. Number 5. J.J. Cole Car Seat Cover. The J.J. Cole weather-resistant infant car seat cover is a reliable and functional accessory that ensures your baby's comfort and safety during car rides. It is designed to fit most standard infant car seats and provides protection against various weather conditions. This seat cover includes a removable top flap, which allows for easy temperature control. You can leave it open on warm days or attach it for added protection during colder weather. Pros: weather-resistant material, soft fleece interior for added warmth, removable top flap for temperature control, easy installation with elasticized edges and adjustable straps. Cons: limited color options, may require occasional readjustment during use. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?